Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here I have a DERA Tool Set. Let's see what's inside. Uh, so it's a nice casing. Wow. The casing is a plastic casing that holds the tools tightly. Yeah, I have a pliers, a small one. The next one below it is the long nose, a drill handle, a crow hammer. It's a small one. I have a tape measure, a nice one, 3 meters, a see-through. Okay, this one you use it with the handle to measure the depth. Have a drill. Actually, this one is a 750 watt drill, very powerful. Oh, let's check other things. So we have some detachable screw set and some drill bits below. Have a test pen, then inductance can check then without not touching the conductors. Have a nut driver, use it with this handle. So have some set of screws with the wall plugs, a small hacksaw, insulating tape, small set screwdrivers, 2 flat, small and yeah, small electronics screwdrivers. Another one. Actually there are 4, 2 flat, 2 star, a small and a big one. Here we have some extra blades. So that's the tool set. Have some good items inside. So I'll use it for a month, then we'll check the quality and durability of the tools. So I'll post another video after 1 month, so we'll check if they are made of quality materials. So the drill, will check the condition of the drill and other items. Also check the metallic parts of the tool, if they rust faster or they are. Thank you guys for watching. So you can get yours. Actually it's a very affordable tool set. Mine, I got it for 10,000 shillings. That's approximate $100. So it's a nice tool set to have at home. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.